Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Erin and today, as you can tell by the title, we are playing with makeup. Like usual, I mean it's not really that different from any other video I do except for my book videos. I told myself that in 2020 I was going to start paying more attention to the indie makeup brands out there. I buy from a lot of typical brands, Anastasia, Beverly Hills, Too Faced, you know, the ones you can find in Ulta and Sephora typically all the time. But I just felt like there are so many indie brands out there that don't get recognized enough, and I have a channel and I love makeup, and why not talk about indie brands that not a lot of people talk about? And I just thought it would be fun. So the first brand we are showcasing, I guess, is Shroud Cosmetics. So they were formerly Strobe Cosmetics, but I think they just recently had like a rebranding and changed their name. So like this palette, this is the Creepy Cute palette. It's some of their old packaging, so it says Strobe Cosmetics on it at the bottom. But this is one of their newer palettes, I believe. So it says Shroud Cosmetics right there. But they are Shroud Cosmetics, and I haven't heard a lot about them. I actually haven't heard anything about them. I actually found them through Instagram and started looking at some of their products and was like, oh wow, I really like their colors, I like their palettes. I don't know, so I had to pick some up. And this palette, this is the Arcana palette. This is the Arcana palette, which retails for $47. I think it's super pretty, super right up my alley. These are like the colors I always reach for. And then this is the Creepy Cute palette, which isn't typically something I would reach for, but I've been into pastels lately. So this is what it looks like, and I'm pretty sure this retails for $30. I love these colors. Wow. I think I'm going to play with the Arcana palette today. I don't know. It's the one that I feel the most inspired by, I guess. So that's the one we're going to play with. I actually bought these two in a bundle. So they bundled for $75. I think they're originally $82, but I got them for $75. I thought that was really fun that you can like bundle palettes together and get the ones you want. Okay, you are zoomed in. So now we are going to start. I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but that's pretty typical with me. I pretty much never know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna start with Relic right here. It looks like a nice cool toned matte. I think it's cool toned. We shall see once I put it on the eyes, because sometimes I have no idea what I'm talking about. I'm just taking the Morphe M441 brush and I'm just gonna dip it into the color Relic, obviously. Ooh. That's nice. I mean, I know it's just a brown and like you can't really mess up browns, but oh, 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 that's a nice first color to use. So I have a feeling this is gonna be extremely grungy, but that's fine because it's like pretty much exactly what I want. I want something grungy for this gross day outside. It's gross outside. So that is so nice. That's a nice brown. So let me show you the kick up. There's not too much, but it is there just so you can see it. I just like to point it out just in case you guys care. I don't really care, so whatever, but I just like to point it out in case. I think next I'm going to take the shade Shroud, which is this like, it's a very interesting blue. I don't really know how to explain it. It's like a gray blue. It's very pretty. It's the color that's honestly drawing my eye the most, which is interesting because usually I get drawn to more shimmers, but this is a matte that's really like pulling me in. I'm going to use the same brush and I'm just going to put this in my crease. See how this goes? Ooh. Very dark, very mysterious. Kind of exactly what I want. Oh wow, I really like this color. Wow, yeah. This is like chef's kiss, you know? It's blending really nice as well. I don't see any skipping or patchiness or anything. Ooh, I love that so much. Ooh, I love that. Look at how pigmented these shades are. Look at those swatches. Ooh, boy. Wow, those are stunning. Oh my god. I mean, like, I'm not one for swatching because I think swatches are very misleading because you don't swatch how you apply eyeshadow. So I don't really like to look at swatches, but man, those are something else. Okay, I have an idea. I figured it out. I'm going to take Alchemy, which is this green shade. I just swatched it, that's why it looks funny. And I'm going to put this on the outer and inner parts of my eye, and then in the middle I'm going to put a different color. So, oh my god. The pigmentation is unreal on these shades. Wow. Oof, that wasn't even a wet or anything. That was just my freaking brush. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. I mean, these are pigmented. Okay, so I have Alchemy down. So, what should I put in the middle? I don't want to make it too dark, so I think I'm going to put Chalice, which is this like yellowy gold mustardy shade. And I'm going to put that in the middle. Holy guacamole. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god. Excuse me? Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. These shimmers are like out of this world. Oh my god. Are you freaking seeing this? Oh my god. It's so pretty. Wow, okay. Hello, pigmentation. Hello. That's insane. I don't even have words. This is how I'm leaving the lids right now. I'm going to finish up my face off camera and then we will do the lower lash. I'm thinking about doing something a different color, like maybe some of these like pinky reds or a purple. I feel like the reds might come off as Christmas. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, let's finish up this look, shall we? I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna take Darkling, which is this like matte army green color, and I'm just going to swoop that under my eye. Ooh, this one has a lot of kick up compared to the other shades. Okay, that's what it looks like. Very grungy, very grungy. So, I don't know what I want to do. I might take some of Chalice, the yellow shade that we have on the inner corner, and put it on the lower lash line, kind of like a little pop of color. So I just put some of Chalice at the, nope, I put it in the lower lash line just to mimic the halo eye we have gearing on right now, and I really like this look. I have a lot of thoughts, which we will talk about when I have my lip and my mascara on, so I will be right back and I will tell you guys how I'm feeling. You probably already know, but we'll discuss. So this is the finished look. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. So let me zoom you out and then we shall chit chat real quick. Okay friends, so I love this palette. It is so beautiful. Oh my god, the mattes blended so wonderfully. The shimmers, I mean, just look at these shimmers. I mean, you saw my face when I put them on. They are incredible. I mean, they are stunning. This palette, I am so blown away. For $47, I don't think that's that bad. I would say it's about mid-level price, and I honestly think it's worth it so far. This formula is fantastic. It is, oh my god, it was so easy to use. It was just so pretty. I literally put it on and I was just like, oh my god, like it's so pretty. I mean, obviously if you don't like these colors, I don't think you're gonna like the palette, because this is very much a particular color story. This fits me very well. I love these kinds of colors, so I think this palette is such a great addition to my collection. If this is any sort of indication of what kind of eyeshadow formula Shroud Cosmetics has, if they're all like this, sign me up. I want everything, because these are so phenomenal. I cannot wait to use the Creepy Cute palette. It's all mattes and all pastels, but I think it'll be a good test to see, you know, pastels are hard, so I would like to know how that works on my face. So we will do that soon. Let me know if you guys are excited about that. But honestly, this is a good experience. This is a great palette. I'm honestly so happy to have it. It's so beautiful. It performs so nicely. You saw how it performed. It was beautiful. I love this so much. My voice is cracking because I'm tired and I'm maybe sick. I don't know. Whatever. My voice sounds disgusting. I forgot to tell you guys before, this is cruelty-free and vegan. I wouldn't have it on my channel if it wasn't cruelty-free, because I am cruelty-free now, but just thought you guys should know just in case, because, you know, in case you're new to my channel, this is cruelty-free and vegan. I think all of their stuff is cruelty-free and vegan, actually. Let's see. Okay, well, both of these say cruelty-free and vegan. I would assume so, but I wouldn't include it in my channel if it wasn't cruelty-free, because I am cruelty-free now, so I only support cruelty-free makeup, beauty, all that kind of stuff. That's my jam now. But yeah, guys, I am super happy with this palette. I loved it. So good. But yeah, that's all for today. Let me know if you guys like this indie brand video where I talk about an indie brand and then try out some of their makeup and see what is going down with them, and just kind of give them some love and some appreciation that they obviously deserve. So let me know if you are enjoying that. Please give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying it, so I know what kind of content you are enjoying on my channel. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we can be friends and talk about makeup and fun stuff. And with that, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys are having a great Monday. It's Monday, right? Ugh. Hope you guys are having a great Monday, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for another video. Bye.